DJI Mavic Mini, GPC Hard Case. Got that coming up next. It wasn't long after the DJI Mavic Mini had been released before aftermarket accessories started hitting the market. Of particular interest to a number of people were hard shell cases. Well, look no further than GPC. I would like to thank the good folks at GPC and Barry Markowitz for getting a DJI Mavic Mini GPC hard case out to me to review. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this in some detail. Okay, we're going to take a look and see how the DJI Mavic Mini fits into the GPC case for the DJI Mavic Mini. Now, your charging adapter will go in here, and you put the prongs down in, so it'll fit all the way down there. Then your propellers go actually beneath the DJI Mavic Mini. And then we'll go ahead and put the DJI Mavic Mini in itself. Now, your battery pack with 3 batteries in it will go in this wonderful slot right here. The controller, you can actually have your sticks on because there are slots for it, and it fits in right here. Now, this is for an SD card. This slot right here is for one USB cable, and you can put one of them here. Now, this is for a cell phone. Now, for me, I carry my own cell phone personally, so I won't be needing that. But right here, there's a slot in front, and what's good, you can put your cables to connect your smartphone to your controller here, your other USB cable that came with it, and you can use your screwdriver to change your propellers. And then you go ahead and close the case. And there you have everything in the GPC case for the DJI Mavic Mini. Okay, we're going to look at some of the outside features on the DJI Mavic Mini case by GPC. Now, the first thing that I want you to notice is right here, it has that safety valve release system. So if you do carry this on a plane, it will equalize the air pressure, so you don't have to worry about that. To go ahead and open the case up, there are clasps all the way down on the bottom. You put your fingers in there like this, and it opens up very easily. And of course, another thing that I like what GPC does is this eggshell foam that's on top. It keeps your Mavic Mini controller, then the charging hub, everything in place and very secure. To go ahead and relatch that, all you have to do is push down, and it's relatched. You can tell it is sealed very nicely on the sides, has a hinge, one-piece hinge on the bottom. It looks very nice. All in all, it is very well made at a very reasonable price. Now, the cases retail for $54.95, and I'll have a GPC link in the description. Question of the day: what do you think of the GPC Mavic Mini hard case? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.